At this last conference I was at, there was a representative there from Google who had just gotten back from Japan and started to talk briefly about some of the uses for the iPhone and some of the newer phones that are coming out. And one of the things he was talking about is how they are using them in the classroom and how they're using them to take attendance. A student would walk up and actually, with their camera on their phone, register for the class and have all the class material pushed to their phone so that they would have access to it on their phone as the class goes along. They were doing class surveys, they were doing virtual field trips through their phone, and there's many different applications that are sort of being developed for the use of the phone in an educational scenario. Unfortunately, here in Canada and the United States, we're still banning phones within the classroom because we find them to be a distraction rather than using them as an actual teaching tool. I think it'll be interesting to see where Japan goes in the future. Some of the other locations around the world, because of the power of the iPhone and the ability for it to compute and search the World Wide Web, since it has actually hit the market, this representative from Google said that there's a 55% increase in the amount of surfing of the World Wide Web via the phone, and also that most of the time that's spent on the phone isn't actually using the phone as a phone. They're using it for other applications. So that's fairly exciting. So in some of the places like Africa, they're just bypassing the use of the computer and going directly to the phone application. So I think that's going to be exciting in the future as well.